Chasing a woman often makes her pull away. Your efforts to make her feel special with compliments and texts can make her cold and less interested. This frustrates and hurts your confidence. The secret is the opposite. Stop chasing harder. Women like to feel wanted, but letting them lead increases their desire. This video shows smart psychology methods to flip the game. Welcome to the manipulated mind. We explore dating psychology that works. Subscribe and turn on notifications to understand women better. We go beyond pickup lines to reveal 10 powerful psychological triggers. These can make a woman crave your attention and chase you. But use them carefully. Too early or reckless, they backfire. Used right, they make you irresistible. Let's begin. Stay to the end to learn all 10 valuable triggers. Trick 1. Flip the script. Make her chase you. We're taught to constantly pursue women, calling, complimenting, texting daily, asking out. Showing care should make her like you more. But constant chasing signals you need her more. This power imbalance creates a paradox. The more you chase, the less she chases back. She may feel smothered or lose respect. Women aren't attracted to men who revolve around them. They like men who are whole, moving, and focused with or without her. So stop chasing and live your life. Show confidence and independence. Your life is exciting without her. Don't be rude or ghost, just pull back slightly. Let her wonder, why isn't he messaging? Is he seeing someone else? Did I do wrong? This curiosity triggers her chase. She'll seek clarity, validation, and you. This is the scarcity principle. What's just out of reach becomes more desirable. Be kind and confident, but make her earn your attention. Stay watching to learn how these psychological tricks work together. Trick 2. The smart power of ignoring her. This sounds cold, but ignoring her is very powerful when done right. Women crave emotional attention. If they don't get it from a man they like, their mind races. Why isn't he noticing me? Did I do wrong? What is he thinking? Remember, ignoring is not being mean. It's acting on purpose. Don't reply fast to every message. Don't always be free. Don't come running when she calls. When you hold back your energy, she feels a gap. That gap becomes attractive. This triggers investment escalation. When a person uses more emotional effort, they grow more attached. By not giving her all your attention first, you make her invest in the bond. But a warning, don't overdo it. Too much ignoring makes her feel unimportant or rejected. The balance? Be warm when you talk. Be focused when with her. But step back enough so she feels your absence. Make her think, why did the energy change? What's he doing? I miss talking to him. Once she thinks this, you're halfway to winning. Trick 3. Compliment her, then pull away. This is clever and smart. Give a true compliment, something real that touches her heart, like, you have a calming presence, it's rare, or, I love how your mind works, it's magnetic. Say it and mean it, then pull back. Seems wrong, right? Why leave after creating a connection? Because most men miss this. The moment you withdraw is as powerful as the compliment. When you say something deep and then go quiet, her brain fixates on that moment. She replays it. She thinks, why did he say that? Why leave? Does he mean it? This creates an emotional vacuum. People, especially women, need to fill emotional gaps. By walking away after giving her something powerful, you trigger her need for closure, to rebuild the connection, to come closer. It's not manipulation, it's emotional pacing. It works because you were real. You gave her true emotional warmth and space to feel it. In that space, she becomes more curious and invested and chases the feeling. A pro tip? Use eye contact, a soft voice, and then leave nicely. She'll remember and want more. Keep watching. Understanding how these ideas connect is key. Trick 4. Disagree with her calmly and without strong emotion. Many men think saying yes to everything makes them liked. Wrong. Women aren't drawn to yes men. They like men who stand their ground politely, with peace and quiet belief. So do this. When she says something you truly disagree with, whether music, politics, a film, or relationships, don't just nod. Instead, say, I understand your view, but I think differently. Or, that's interesting, here's another view. You aren't attacking or dismissing her, you're holding your truth with respect. That is attractive because she then thinks, he's not just trying to impress, he has depth, he's not scared to be real. Women are biologically drawn to confidence with self-control. You show you have boundaries, aren't afraid of disagreement, and can talk for real without getting upset. The best part? Disagreements create emotional energy. They create tension, and respectful tension builds attraction. You make her curious about your thoughts. You make her want to know you more. The more she leans in emotionally, the more she chases. Trick 5. Let her see you with other women. This is a subtle competition trigger. This trick is old, basic human instinct and works every time if done right. Let her watch you with other women, not bragging, not dirty, not showing off, but by being natural, friendly, and confident around them, mainly when she's there. Why? You activate pre-selection. This is a biological fact from female evolutionary psychology. Women find a man more attractive if other women already do. It sends a subconscious message, he's desirable, others want him, what am I missing? It also adds a bit of healthy competition. She won't say it, but seeing another woman laughing with you, complimenting you, looking at you a certain way, makes her ask, do I want that? Am I missing my shot? What if someone else gets him first? Suddenly, you change from just a guy she knows to a man of value, with options, with magnetism. In her mind, she now needs to earn you. But keep it classy. Don't flirt in front of her to cause jealousy. Just show you're socially confident and wanted. That is emotional leverage. Trick 6. Speak well of another woman. This is a subtle jealousy frame. This one needs skill, but done right works very well. When talking to her, casually say something like, that woman from the seminar had a really sharp mind, or I respect how she handles herself. That's rare. You're learning powerful psychology. For the full effect, watch until the very end. Subscribe to Stephanie on The Manipulated Mind. Like and share this video now. This is what happens inside her head. Why is he noticing her? Does he like her? What does she have that I don't? You've started silent competition. This isn't about hurting her with jealousy. It's about turning on the scarcity trigger in her brain, a psychological rule that says if something good can be lost, it feels more desirable. By praising another woman's good points in front of her without being wrong, you add a healthy challenge. You prove you're a man with taste who sees value. You're not hungry for her approval. Since she secretly wants to be the top woman you notice, this lights her wish to rise up. The trick is subtlety and good timing. You're not complimenting another to anger her, you're showing your standards. When she sees you're not easily impressed, she'll want to be the special one. Trick 7. Date several women in a casual, honest way. This may seem debated, but it's a strong, honest move in today's dating if done with integrity. The truth? Women are pulled to men with options. It shows social proof and high value. Casually dating openly and respectfully shows you don't hurry. You're picky. You want connection, not desperation. That confidence is irresistible. The golden rule: never lie. Talk openly. I'm seeing what's out there. I like real talks and seeing where things go. You're not sleeping around or playing. You're living with honesty, confidence, and interest. Then she thinks, can I stand out? What can I give him that others can't? In her heart, the chase starts. You're not putting her on a high place. You're treating her as one choice in a world of beauty, making her want to be your pick. Trick 8. Don't react strongly. Mastering your emotions wins. This separates boys from men. Quick reactions, snapping back, getting too excited or hurt too easily, show emotional instability. Nothing kills attraction faster. So try this. If she texts late, stay calm. If she jokes, laugh. If she disagrees, respect it. Emotional calm is power. You show you control yourself. You don't need to win every time. You're not moved by outside noise. Women see this, as most men panic when ignored, challenged, or unsure.
but you stay steady. You're not cold or passive. You notice and choose when and how to answer. This is non-reactivity. It makes her feel safe and interested. It makes her feel you're not just reacting to the world, you're leading your place in it. That is very attractive. Trick 9, use reverse psychology, a mysterious attraction pull. Ready for a mind trick? Sometimes the best way to make her lean in is to lean out. Here's how. Hint you're not sure she's your type yet. Say, you're fun, but I'm still learning you. You're different. Not sure if that's good or risky yet. You're planting a small seed of doubt. People hate doubt, especially women used to being chased. By softly reversing the chase, you create a small emotional gap, and she'll want to close it. She'll want to prove herself. But this is powerful. Use it little and truly. You're not playing hard to get. You're showing you have standards.
You're judging her too. You're not a yes just because she's pretty. Suddenly, she's not just waiting to be chosen. She's trying to earn her spot in your world. Trick 10, don't message her right away. Build craving through space. Texting is where most men lose. She sends a message, your heart jumps. You reply immediately. You think, this shows I care. But in her subconscious, that fast reply means he's waiting for me. He has nothing better. He's already hooked. That's not attractive. It's emotional overexposure. So pause. Take your time. Answer with purpose, not urge. When you wait, not to be rude, but from self-control, you give her mind space to wonder about you. Curiosity drives attraction. Even better, wait until you have something worthy or fun to say. Something that moves the talk forward, that creates feeling, not dull chat. This makes your messages feel like events, not duties. When your texts are events, she checks her phone, hoping to see your name. That's the difference between chasing her and making her crave connection. Texting isn't about how much, it's about effect. So, the big picture? You now have 10 psychological tactics, not to control her, but to change the dynamic from you chasing to her leaning in. From being just another guy to a rare man who gets energy, emotional control, and subtle power. Here's the result. Flip the script, she chases. Ignore strategically, she craves validation. Compliment and pull back, she feels your absence. Disagree respectfully, she seeks your mind. Let her see you with others, her interest lights. Praise other women, her curiosity grows. Date openly, your value rises. Stay non-reactive, you become unshakable. Use reverse psychology, you become unforgettable. Delay responses, her anticipation builds. Each tactic builds emotional investment. Each action adds depth. Each quiet moment becomes seduction. Women aren't just chasing words. They chase the feeling of being with a man rooted in himself, who knows his worth, who commands attention without begging. That man could be you. Starting now. What to do? If this video opened your eyes, if you thought, this is what I've missed, then now is your moment. Click subscribe for more dark psychology, attraction science, and real masculine energy tips. Like this video if you learned something. It helps the algorithm show this to more men who need it. Comment which of these 10 tactics you've tried or will try first. Share this with a brother, friend, or any man stuck chasing who doesn't see he's pushing away what he wants. This isn't just dating advice. This is psychological leverage. This is emotional power. This is how men awaken the part of a woman that longs to pursue. I'm Stephanie, and this is The Manipulated Mind, where dating meets truth and truth sets you free. Subscribe, like, and share this video for others to master these secrets. Your journey starts with one click.